Good morning, my name is Jeff Lynette and welcome back to Learn Now. In each of these videos, we've been focusing on stretching our brains, thinking deeply, and hopefully having a lot of fun so that you can develop important skills that will be with you today, tomorrow, and throughout our lives. Every one of the activities that we've done so far fits together. From drawing cartoon characters out of simple shapes, to learning how to analyze a picture by looking deeply with our eyes, or even designing simple robots. We're doing this so that we can improve our ability to see better, to use our eyes to look critically at the world around us, or to create unique solutions to solve problems, or maybe focusing on the importance of looking at our work and always saying what's good about it, but how can I revise it to make it better? And if we put these skills together, we're building better ability to be a critical and creative thinker. We're going to continue on those skills today by thinking about the theme of a workshop. Everybody has to have a place to do their work, whether it's your classroom or your personal desk at school, or an office, or a shop, or a garage. People need a place to do the work and also have the things around to help them be successful. Well, all of us, especially students, have been working at home a lot lately. And I'm betting that most of us have transformed a spot into our house into some kind of a workspace. Maybe it's your dining room table and you clear it off whenever you need to do work, or maybe you have a spot in the corner, or maybe you share a bedroom with a brother or sister. What have you done to personalize that spot so that you can do your best work? How did you customize that spot so that it would meet your needs? And what do you further need to be even more successful? When I started working at home, I had to get really creative in making a space so that I was able to do my job to the best of my abilities. I know that I do my best work when I'm standing up and I can move around a little bit. I like to have a couple computer screens up so that whenever I'm doing work, I can look back and forth. I had to make sure that I could do the work that I wanted to do, but take advantage of the things that were around my house that I could use. Let me show you what I came up with. Here's a picture of the workspace that I set up for myself since we've been home. It's really just a storage shelf in my garage, but I want you to go back to our skills that we picked up last week about breaking down a picture. You can either hit pause or just look at it. What do you notice? Why is it there? How does it help me do my best work? We can take a closer look at my idea. I'm using the same strategy we did a couple weeks ago, a mind map. The central idea is my workstation, and you can see all the different things branching off. I have multiple screens so I can do my work. I can collaborate with my partner Abby. I have an iPad on a stand so I can make videos, and a dry erase board, and a cup of coffee, and a speaker for music, and all the things that help me be able to do my job well. So it's not perfect. To be honest, the shelf is way too high and it's not that comfortable to type on. I'd love for there to be more customizable features and for me to have some things that could make it look a lot nicer. And if you look at your workspace, what works? And with the imaginative mind of a designer, how could it be better? Our challenge today, how can you, as a designer, create a plan for a custom desk or workspace that would fit your specific needs? We talked earlier about the skills we're going to need to be successful today, and the materials are pretty simple. All we need is a pencil and a piece of paper. Remember, while you're watching these videos, you can move at your own pace. You can hit pause at any time or come back and watch any of the pieces. It's completely up to you. The first thing I want you to do is grab a piece of paper and start thinking about what are your specific needs and how can you make a custom plan to match them. Consider ranking them from most important to least important, and then you'll know what to prioritize. Come up with as many ideas as you can. Now that I've got a list, I'm going to start making two very unique sketches. I might add in shelves and cameras and whatever I want to make this unique based on my needs. After I'm done doing the first idea, I'm going to jump to the second idea, which I want to push myself to make very different and very unique, even though it's the same elements. After you're done making 2 unique sketches, pick the best one. Now that I've picked my best sketch, I'm going to go in and do what we did in week 1. Use simple shapes to make my foundation. Rectangles, squares, triangles. I start with the simple shapes and then I gradually add more details so it becomes cameras and lights and TV monitors. Now I'm adding more details, extendable tables, coffee, dry erase markers, storage areas, wheels. As we go, we add more and more details. No erasing, just refining our picture and adding more to make it stand out. After you're done doing that, you can start going in and labeling your picture and describing how it works and how it functions and how it operates. What makes it unique, what makes it special. Add as many things as you can to make a unique design. Here's my final sketch. It didn't take me very long to do this, but that doesn't mean that I wasn't being a critical and creative thinker the whole time. There's a lot of pretty fun ideas on here. It's up to you how far you want to take this project. If you want to do a simple sketch like this, great. If you want to take it a little bit further and do an even more detailed drawing again, you could do that. Or maybe you could build a version of it out of Legos, or use a computer program to make a version. It's totally up to you. Now it's your turn. It's easy to get started. All you need to do is make a list of your needs and ideas to accommodate those needs. Then sketch at least 2 solutions before picking the best one and refining your plans. Don't forget to add details, labels, and other ideas that could help people understand your design. I hope you had fun using your critical and creative thinking skills to design a personal workspace. What was your best idea? And how could you make it even better? While we probably can't get a factory to design your sketch for you, it doesn't mean we couldn't take some of those ideas and try to add them to our current workspace to improve it. And don't forget to share your work. Talk about it. What did you like and what could you do better next time with your family, your brothers and sisters, or even your teacher. We'd love to see pictures of your designs. We hope you enjoyed the video this week, and we hope that it helped you go the distance with your learning even while you're at home. See you next time.